Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while when I have sat down and shot a video here for my channel. I think the last video I published was a couple of months ago. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, hopefully, I'm gonna be playing with Life's a Drag, Life's a Crossdresser, Life's Gay, Life's Straight, Life's Bisexual, Life's a Bitch, Life's Everything. So this is the palette which Miss Manny has created. It was his first launch and I think it launched last year. I actually bought this palette last year itself, but I didn't get any time to actually sit down and shoot a video while playing with this. So if you're new here, consider subscribing to this channel. My name is Sunny and I create beauty and makeup related videos here on my channel. Kind of. Also hit the notification bell down there so whenever I upload, you guys won't miss it out. I think that was the most key information I wanted to pass. So let's straight away jump into the tutorial. So far I have done my foundation. I have put on some blue contacts to be a little extra. I have kind of snatched my brows and that's it. I'm gonna prime my lids using little amount of concealer to create a perfect canvas for our eyeshadows. Don't forget your inner corners. I'm gonna quickly dust a little bit of pressed powder to set my primed eyelids just a little bit. Next up, I'm going to use my shadow shields to prevent any sort of fallout situation if it may occur, as well as to create that kind of a very sharp cat eye look. And I'm not wearing any kind of concealer under my eyes because this would be the last step which I'm going to do. So starting off, I'm going to be using this shade called Kai Kai and I'm going to take my Morphe M506 and start packing it into my crease. Next, I'm going to be taking this brush which comes with the palette itself and I'm going to take the shade called Snatched. I'm going to place this color just slightly below where I have used Kai Kai. Don't worry if it looks a little bit wonky or your eyeshadow reaches to your brow bone. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking this Sigma E36 and I'm going to take tiny amount of shady and trade. I'm going to start deepening my crease. Next I'm going to take Cake Face and I'm going to just highlight my brow bone before I start cutting my crease. Here it's gonna kind of see. So next I'm gonna cut my crease and for that I'm gonna be using the Revolution Conceal and Define and I'm gonna use the shade C9. As you can see in the picture, the crease is cut right down here. So I'm gonna just try to replicate the same but according to my eye shape and we're gonna see where it goes. I'm gonna start by stamping. So our crease is cut. Next I'm going to take the shade Legendary and I'm gonna just apply it all over my eyelid. Next I'm going to take a Sigma detailed lip brush. This is L04 and this is perfect for my hooded eyes. And I'm going to again take the shade Shady and Trade and deepening up the crease and the work which have gone lost. I surely am going to blend these lines, so don't worry about that right now. I'm just kind of mapping. Okay, I'm going to use my Sigma E36 for blending these harsh edges ever so slightly. Take your time, blend. So quickly I'm going to do my eyeliner, and for that I'm using the AMC Gel Eyeliner by Inglot in the shade number 77. So I'm going to map my new lower lash line, leaving a little bit of space towards the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm going to try to make it symmetrical to both of my eyes. Okay, so the final shade I'm going to take is called Fishy, this one, and I'm going to just smudge my lower lash line where we have applied the black. Finally, I'm going to take some white gel eyeliner, and I'm going to fill the space where I have created this new lower lash line. So and I'm gonna quickly do rest of my face, my lips and lashes, and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look, and I'm wearing Calabasas by Jeffree Star on my lips. I tried to recreate this look which is on the cover of the palette, but I think that I have just gone somewhere close to that. Nonetheless, I like what I have done so far. If you like what you see, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. Don't forget to hit the notification bell down there. I see you guys next time. Bye guys.